not here. No, it's like plants. I have like this tray. Let me fix this one. It's like we have a lot of picnic stuff here, so we are ready to picnic anytime. And then this one, the flowers. Making sure that it's in the liner. And that's it. The berries are there, but I'm here to get the vegetables. So those are the indoor plants. I can do another tour of the indoor plants next time. And I need to be, I'm a little bit in a hurry. So I'll get this, the bay roses. I'm actually here too. And the flowers, these are annual flowers, same as this one, for example. Or maybe this one is a good deal, $21.99. You can make them too if you can buy those individual plants. The pansies are gorgeous. This one too. This is these are beautiful. Hi Pancho, do you have Ola? Do you have like unique plants, unique vegetables? Like peppermint chard. You still don't?
Oh, peppermint chard? No.
No. How about watermelon radish? No.
No.
Has to be from seeds.
But we have the same.
The same, nothing
Only
unique.
fava beans.
Huh?
Fava beans only.
Oh, okay.
And nothing else.
Okay, I'll check.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Look at, oh my gosh, look at all the bees here on one flower, like a poppy flower. Anyway, let's check out here. These are artichoke and strawberries here. The varieties are seascape, Camarosa, we have them, both of them. Sequoia, these are bigger strawberries. Sequoia, we have this, but I'm not sure if they are still there. Red velvet, red vein sorrel. These are the lettuces. This is Lola Rosa. And then, so I'll show you the varieties of lettuce. This is Nevada. This is really great on like burger or like sandwiches because they are very pretty. You can see they are in like when you see a hamburger in commercial. I think this is the lettuce that they use. It's very pretty. This is escarole. Sierra, Bavarian, Gourmet Blend, microgreens, sorrel, Gourmet Bib. This is also like more of a gourmet blend. Maybe I'll do gourmet blend. These ones are bigger already. I'm looking for lettuce Sierra. And Amanda. Maybe I'll get this and Amanda.
Lily?
Chinese cabbage. Choi choi. I like choi choi. Oh, this is what they have. Chinese cabbage. Oh, the Chinese cabbage has a lot of. This one is endive. Endive. This is red mizuna. This is really nice too. Red mizuna and then the green mizuna. Kohlrabi. I like this one. Maybe I'll get the gourmet blend. It's beautiful. I'll get the gourmet blend instead of just like that one. Cabbage, emerald cross, and then Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Long Island Brussels sprouts. Oh, these are big already. The problem with Brussels sprouts is the earwigs. They love to hide on those, like cabbage. Cabbage. These are all cabbages. Cauliflower. We have cauliflower ready. Broccoli. Oh, I need to get broccoli. Purple sprouting broccoli are pretty. Yes, it's like the regular broccoli. Dividend. Which broccoli should I get? Blue star broccoli. Broccoli early dividend. Broccoli purple sprouting. I'll get the purple sprouting. Broccoli early dividend. Broccoli blue star. I think they're all the same. Broccoli early dividend. So let's check. Maybe the early dividend. Whatever is the biggest. Maybe this one. I'll try this one. This looks healthy. Let's go this way. This is like Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Rainbow Swiss chard. These are very tiny. Celery. Parsley. And then we have cilantro here. I usually get like the one instead of this like 6. You don't need that many. This is peppermint stick celery. It's a lot too. And then here, Georgia collards. We have collard greens already. Asparagus. We have asparagus too. Snap peas. We have snap peas. We have those. Let's check on the single like pack. Oh, this is pretty. You can get one. Oh, this is the purple mizuna. You can get like one. Because with a lot, you end up like not using them. Purple mizuna. Oh, they are here. My favorite. It's not there anymore. This is the prickled lettuce. I'll just get one. So the pretty ones are here. Fava beans. If you like to plant fava beans, this one is pretty too. And then the herbs. Let's get a cilantro because we ran out of. No, all like our cilantro is bolted. You can check this one. Is this cilantro? No, this is parsley. Parsley is more of sun loving plant. This one. This is cilantro. Let's get one. What else? I think we have most of the herbs there already. Just checking more on this one. So this is what I got so far. These are the pansies. They come in like different colors. This one probably. This one, see how beautiful, right? The other one has orange. I like orange too. This one doesn't have orange. Maybe I'll get one with orange. This one has orange. See? So now I have here are the vegetables. Some gorgeous flowers here. Some flowers there. And there too, and then the freckled lettuce, and then the red vein sorrel.